Okay. Thought I'd give you guys a video since I really haven't had much to do. But today, I'm gonna be taking this apart. You can say, be part of something, because it doesn't work. I'll show you guys what it does. But it shouldn't do this. But basically, what happens is you go to insert the key, and all the part of it goes in. So I tried messing with it, and nothing really works. So I'm gonna try taking it apart and see what I can do there. So there's just a little clip here holding it in. If I can remove that. Oh, kind into what's in. Ooh, that was close. That was close. I could have gotten tetanus. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's off. This part's a little bit rusty. If you can see that. Just leave this over here. And actually, because I don't think this surface is really good enough for this, so hold on. Okay. Alright, that should be better. Kind of sticks to everything. Alright, so back to where I was. Getting this thing apart. Okay, so little piece comes off like that. So I'll show you a few. But comes off. Should come out straight out. If you have to fight it, it's probably corroded onto there. Pretty sure. And now I don't know where to go next. Also, by the way, I've never taken one of these apart, so this will be a learning experience for all of us, I guess. You can see it. I'm trying to keep it in frame. Sorry if I'm going out. Let me see. It's doing something. Hold on. And for all you people there, I don't even know, the 5 people that watch, if you know anything about locks, just please don't say anything. That's just gonna hurt my ego, please. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's be real here. If I break it, I break it. Never worked in the first place. I know I could probably get one of these new, but that requires money. We all know money's not something I have. But you should know by now, judging by what I'm doing. Or do you have to click on these or something? Oh, yep, that's grease. It's the internals. I'll do something over here. Wait, what happens if I stick a... Let's see here, actually. What happens as I try to stick it in? Still nothing? Okay. Try not to make too long of a video, but... Anyway. Yeah, I'm not that great at editing either, so I'll just probably cut some of this out. Or if not, I'll just make this go a bit faster. I'll try prying up on here. Unless I just have to... Hold on. Is this thing like seized or something? Oh, it's moving a bit. It did something, I know that. Well. Or I could do something very impatient. Probably not worthwhile, but... Vice grips. Don't yell at me, please. I don't know what I'm doing. And also, for yous out there, I know the one guy here, but if you remember, I just asked for just advice on getting some car, and I'm probably not going to talk about yet since I probably won't be able to get it for another few, I don't know how long. I will get it, just not at this moment because I have literal complications in my life. But apart from that, well, I mean, let's be real here. There's like no one watching this channel right now, but eventually I hope I can at least get to somewhere where I can actually entertain people. Alright, so I don't know what's up with this lock. I do notice that it was corroded. So I'm just going to try something here. Probably like... I'm just going to spray some WD-40 inside it. See if that does anything. Just let it sit for a while, so... I'll get back to you guys after that.